This is Good Morning San Diego.
And also Bruce Pechman, the muscle man of technology, has got cool tools for back to school. So
perfect timing, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. Too close, everything's blurry. Oh, there we go. Wait. Okay, now I got this. It's time to make back to school cool. The muscle man of technology, Bruce Pechman, is here with a collection of gear that will make this school year very best. These are cool.
Not
For
bad.
that close?
Can you imagine if you actually wore those with a strap around your head?
I see a lot of stuff.
Well, you know, speaking of looking at things through binoculars, I have a digital microscope.
Really?
Check this out. The name of the company is actually called Koolertron, and this is a 7-inch digital microscope. And so what this allows you to do, instead of the traditional analog way that has the two optical eyepieces, you just have this beautiful LCD display. But the wonderful advantage of having a digital microscope is that you can actually capture video and still pictures in high resolution. So the cool thing is, whether you're looking at science projects, insects, speaking of insects, if you look at my laptop here, I have an ant that I took the video of yesterday morning. And by the way, I scotch taped him so he wouldn't run away. Now, look at this. Here's it is. It has a built-in lithium battery. This microscope has a built-in lithium battery, so the kids can take it in the classroom. It's very lightweight, and it's also infinitely adjustable. You can use the focus knobs down, and you could also have these LEDs go brightness on or off. So it's a really nice little product. Now, this right here, I have a $20 bill, and you could actually see the clarity of the gold and the red and blue threads in there. But it's just a terrific, fun little thing for the kids.
That's
and
cool.
If you want to bump up the resolution, you could do that as 3 times, 4 times. So just a fun little microscope
Wow.
there. And I think it's just a little over $100. So you can
That's
check
all?
that out, Koolertron.com. And they have several different ones. This is only one type. They have ones that are more expensive, and they have ones that are less expensive. So check that out.